I'm Peter Sidwell, and here is one of my how-to recipes. Miso Caramel. Now, if you, like me, love salted caramel, you will absolutely love this recipe. Salted caramel has been around a while now, but it's time to take it to the next level. Try adding miso paste to your caramel to just take it to the next level. You get this amazing umami, fermented, deep flavor into your caramel, and I tell you, it is incredible. So the first thing you need to do is get a non-stick frying pan onto the heat. I use my MasterClass cast aluminium pans because they are brilliantly non-stick. They clean easily and they work on induction, which is brilliant. In with your soft brown sugar and your butter. Then add a teaspoon of miso paste and let the pan melt. Don't be tempted to stir it yet. Let it naturally all melt and marry together. The sugar will start to dissolve into the butter and the miso will start to melt in as well. When it's done that, then you can stir. I'm using a Colourworks plastic spoon here because it doesn't conduct any heat. It gets into all the corners of the pan and it really allows you to make sure that you mix it well. Mix the caramel together until it starts to sound smooth, because you will hear the grains of sugar against the pan. When you don't hear that anymore, it's all dissolved. Turn the heat up and really start to stir it together until it becomes that wonderful golden caramel. Turn the heat off, leave it to cool for about 5 minutes just to be on the safe side. Then pour it into one of these preserving jars. They are brilliant in any kitchen because you can use them for all kinds of things, and preserving is how you get amazing flavors and beautiful ingredients into your store cupboard and your kitchen fridge. This caramel is incredibly versatile. I'm actually gonna pour this over popcorn on movie night for my family. I'm also gonna use it in some buttercream. So I'm gonna make a lovely Victoria sponge. I'm gonna make a delicious buttercream, and right at the end, I'm gonna stir some salted caramel into that. If you want the recipe for this amazing miso caramel, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you'll find it there.